Hey friend, welcome in. If you've been stuck on picking your niche, doubting whether you're choosing the right one, or feeling like you're about to make the wrong decision, take a breath, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to help you pick your niche with clarity, and in the rest of this video, I'm going to coach you through the mindset, the strategy, and the confidence that will make you dangerous online. This isn't about choosing the perfect niche. It's about choosing a niche that gets you moving. Inside Turnkey Flow, we create a new normal. Daily action, daily clarity, daily forward momentum, and pick your niche is the first step. Stay all the way through because I'm going to walk you through how to choose your niche in 7 minutes, why your first niche is not your final niche, the 3 types of niches that work best right now, examples you can swipe instantly, and how Turnkey Flow helps you build your niche into content, confidence, visibility, leads, and sales starting the same day you enroll. Let's get into it. Most people don't struggle with niches because they're confused. They struggle because they're afraid. Afraid to pick wrong, afraid to be judged, afraid to say, this is who I help, and then feel like an imposter. Sound familiar? You've probably said at least one of these. But what if I don't know enough? What if I'm not an expert yet? What if nobody listens to me? What if I pick a niche, but I don't stick to it? Listen, the niche fear is a visibility fear dressed up in strategy clothing. And the fastest way to beat that fear, take action. Start talking, start posting, start growing. Turnkey Flow was literally designed for this, giving you the everyday steps, the simple clarity, and the confidence to actually use your voice and turn it into content that sells. Pick your niche in 7 minutes. Let's do this together, right now. Grab a notebook, pause me if you need to. We're going to answer 3 questions, not 30, not 300. 3. Question 1. Who do you want to help? Not who should I help, not who do other people help, not what niche is most profitable, because every niche is profitable when you show up consistently. Who do you feel pulled toward? Beginners, busy moms, side hustlers, people who want to make money online, people who want to improve their mindset, people who want to simplify something in life or business. Write it down. Question 2. What transformation have you experienced? This could be tiny. You don't need a life-changing story. You need a step you've taken that someone else hasn't. Examples. You set up a digital product. You started a business. You learned a skill. You simplified something that was once overwhelming. You had a breakthrough moment, even a small one. People don't buy experts. They buy people who are one step ahead. Question 3. What would you love to talk about every day? Visibility is easy when you enjoy the topic. It becomes heavy when you're pretending. So answer honestly. What would you love to talk about over coffee? What could you talk about without feeling drained? What lights you up? Once you answer all the 3, your niche is the overlap. That's it. No spiraling, no researching for 4 months or second guessing. You have your niche. Real examples. Let me give you real niches you can take today. I help busy women start simple digital businesses, 1. I help beginners create their first income online, could be another. I help overwhelmed moms find simple online income streams. I help side hustlers build digital confidence. Or I help total beginners get visible online using simple content. I help people who want to quit overthinking and finally start. Pick one, or let your answers shape your own. Overcoming fear. This is where most people stop. They pick a niche, then they overthink it. Let me give you a belief boost. You are allowed to evolve. You are allowed to grow. You are allowed to start simple. The people who win online are the people who start imperfectly and refine through visibility and content. Turnkey Flow is literally built to walk you through that. Daily momentum, daily content ideas, daily clarity. Your niche gets stronger by using it, not thinking about it. Why Turnkey Flow is your next step. You picked your niche today, which means you're ready for the next level. Turning that niche into visibility, or niche, I should say, content, leads, and sales, that's exactly what Turnkey Flow gives you. Inside you get daily visibility content, done for you post ideas, scripts, momentum coaching, beginner-friendly steps, a community of people on the same path, and support so you never have to figure things out alone. If you want to move fast, this is how you do it. And yes, we offer flexible payment plan options so you can start now without stress. No excuses. You picked your niche today. Now let's build it into something profitable. Click the link below, join Turnkey Flow, and remember, your first step wasn't choosing a niche. Your first step was believing you're ready, and you are. Let's build your new normal.